Hello everyone. This is the pre-market report video for today, 31st May 2024 for the Indian stock market in terms of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Yesterday was the final monthly expiry before the poll results. Today is the final trading day before the exit poll announcement and MSCI rebalancing execution day. So, will it be volatile? Honestly, I have no idea what to expect. So, expecting an unexpected price action. DII or the retail people comparing their future open interest volume on May 15th to end of yesterday, it haven't changed much. Retail traders hold 70% future index long and 30% short, whereas DII was 50-50. However, if you see the FII, the story is completely different. First of all, FII's number of future index short position open interest, volume was roughly same as May 15th. But in case of long position open interest, it was only 1/3 of the volume which they used to have 15 days ago. Meaning they're holding and rolling over the future short position to the subsequent June month, whereas they closed their long open interest, which makes them at present holding near 87% on their index future open interest in short position. So I have no idea what FII is going to do with that today. It kind of scares me why they are holding this much quantity of short position. Especially I'm holding the put spread. In fact, yesterday when the market was down, I added more put spread. If they reduce their short position, the market will go up today, and if they hold their position or add more short position means then market might be negative. So please let me know in the comment section what will happen. Will anybody form the stable government? What can we expect in the stock market? Will VIX drop massively on Monday? Yesterday I added more open interest because I'm expecting the VIX to collapse on Monday. That's what happened in 2019. Anyway, that's the general trade overview data. Other than that, because of Wednesday night US market negative close, IT sector dropped near 2%, whereas metal down 2.5%, mainly because of poor Tata Steel quarterly results. Whereas on the positive side, banks closed on the positive note as S&P 500 upgraded the 6 banks from their neutral stance to positive, which we discussed in the last pre-market video. About institution, no surprise. As usual, FII was net sellers. The net sold worth approximately 3050 crore rupees, whereas DII net bought shares worth approximately 3430 crore rupees. Then after our market hours, European market closed on the positive note because their unemployment rate dropped. So those were the takeaway from Indian market. Coming to US, before their market opening, Bureau of Economic Analysis released the quarterly basis second GDP growth rate estimate for the 2024 first quarter. Here, the data revised to 1.3% from the first estimation 1.6%. So, the value is significantly lower compared to 3.4% growth in fourth quarter 2023. Hence, this is not the market-friendly data. In addition, tonight, US government is going to release the very important PCE inflation data for April month. For that, yesterday, analysts released their forecast. They expect the inflation to stay as same as March month, like 2.7%. In response, both created the profit booking and made all three major index to close significantly negative. Dow Jones decreased 0.86%, S&P 500 decreased 0.6%, and Nasdaq down by 1.03%. In case of VIX, it increased 1% and moved near 14.5. About oil, it haven't changed much. This weekend OPEC Plus meeting production cut expectation and sudden increase of US crude oil stockpile kind of cancelled each other. At the time of this video, Brent crude is trading around $82 per barrel and WTI crude trading at $78 per barrel. Coming to Indian ADR, because of US market negative close, both IT stock further dropped down and closed negative over 1%. However, yesterday's Indian market banking stock positive close made both the banking ADR to close positive. So we can't say anything about banks, no fresh positive or no fresh negative indication. However, IT stocks clearly indicating the negative. About GIFT Nifty, today early morning for the June month expiry, it closed at 22,710, equating it with the spot market. For now, it's indicating gap up opening of 100 to 120 points. So those were the things happened yesterday in the global market. Now let's look at the new India specific information. First about pharma. I mean, even yesterday the sector dropped over 1.5%. So not sure about the impact today, but still worth to know the info. US government FDA asked Sun Pharma and Dr. Reddy's to recall some 36,000 odd bottles of medicine from US market. I mean, it's not about the value. Always market don't like recall news. Here, Sun Pharma and Dr. Reddy's both are sector index heavyweight, so we can expect both the stocks to be focused today. Second, yesterday RBI conducted the auction to buy back the government securities. I mean, they planned the buyback for 40,000 crore rupees, but they executed only for around 5,000 crore rupees. If they executed for 40,000 crore rupees means, then that might reduce to the bank liquidity concern, and that will for sure might consider as positive. Here, it's not negative, but kind of missed to be positive opportunity. Finally, yesterday, again, our finance minister had an interview with CNN News 18 channel. In that, she conveyed she expects market to reach new height on the election results day, June 4th. Let's see. As a summary, US market closed a negative, so global momentum is not good, but I don't think in the next few days our market will follow the global trend. Anyway, Indian IT ADR were mixed, but Gift Nifty for now indicating gap up opening of over 100 points. However, please be little cautious. As I said earlier, today is the final trading day before the exit poll announcement and MSCI rebalancing execution day. Anyway, moving on. As per stock open interest, AU Small Finance Bank, Cummins India, Tech Mahindra and Torrent Pharma got an increase in open interest along with a negative close indicates the short buildup. On the other hand, long buildup is very small, only one stock, it's ZTV. About the things to look out, early morning, Japanese industrial production growth and retail sales data are due. Then during our market time, Germany's unemployment rate and retail sales data is scheduled to release. And in the aftermarket hours, first at 5:30 p.m., India's GDP data and at 7 p.m., US PC inflation data are some of the items we need to keep an eye out today. Coming to technical, Nifty opened 70 points gap down. Then for the second day in a row, it was under pressure throughout the session and finally closed below 22,500 with above average volume. Thus, on the daily chart, Nifty formed a bearish candlestick pattern with minor upper and lower shadow, indicating a bit of volatility. And also, there was a continuation of RSI negative bias. Then, for the third day in a row, Nifty formed lower high and lower low formation. Hence, the sentiment is very weak now, especially Nifty slipped below 22,500 mark and the critical 21-day exponential moving average. Therefore, for a meaningful recovery, Nifty needs to sustain about 22,500. However, failure to move above 22,500 might attract fresh selling, which will then push down the Nifty towards 22,300/22,100 mark. Then in case of Bank Nifty, it opened 120 points gap down and outperformed the Nifty, then closed at around 48,700. Thus on the daily chart, Bank Nifty formed a bullish candlestick pattern with a long upper shadow. Meaning yesterday Bank Nifty found support near its 21-day exponential moving average and now again it traded above all key moving averages. Now the critical support level for Bank Nifty is at 48,300 with strong resistance at 49,000. On the monthly options data, the maximum call option open interest was at 22,500 strike followed by 23,000 and 22,600 with maximum call option writing at 22,500 strike, then 22,600 and 22,700. Whereas on the put side, the maximum open interest was at 22,500 strike followed by 22,000 and 22,300 with maximum put option writing at 22,500 strike, then 22,400 and 22,200. Thus, from options data, 22,500 is expected to be crucial level. above 20,600 to 20,700 may act as a resistance, and support is placed at 20,300 to 20,200 zone. So that's all in this video. Hope you all got some useful information. Please consider subscribing the channel and liking the video, so it will help me beat the YouTube algorithm and also motivate me to do more. Please don't make any investment decision based on this, as I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. I'm doing this for me and viewers' educational purpose only. Thanks for watching.